Why are my Carrinho seeds failing with a foreign key constraint error in Laravel? When working with Laravel and managing your database, you might encounter foreign key constraint errors while seeding your database. This is a common problem that can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to seed a table like Carrinho, which has foreign key dependencies on other tables. Understanding foreign key constraints. Firstly, it's important to understand what a foreign key constraint is. In a relational database, a foreign key is a field, or group of fields, in one table that uniquely identifies a row in another table. Foreign key constraints ensure the referential integrity of the data in the database. For example, if Carrinho is supposed to reference a user_ID from the users table, there needs to be a valid user_ID in users for every user_ID in Carrinho. If your seeds try to insert a user_ID into Carrinho that does not exist in users, the database will reject the insert operation and throw a foreign key constraint error. Common causes of foreign key constraint errors. Order of seeding. The order in which you seed your tables matters. If Carrinho depends on a user's table, you must seed users before seeding Carrinho. For instance, referencing non-existent data. Ensure that the data you are seeding in Carrinho references existing data in the parent table, example users. If you are generating IDs manually, double-check that these IDs already exist in the parent table. Database connections. Sometimes, the seeder may be inserting into the wrong database if you have multiple connections. Ensure that all seeders are working on the same database connection. Truncate versus cascade delete. If you've previously run migrations and seeds, table truncations often cause foreign key issues due to missing dependencies. You might need to disable foreign key checks temporarily. Best practices for avoiding foreign key errors. Use factories and relationships. Utilize Laravel factories to create related models in one go, which ensures the relationships are maintained properly. Check migration and seeder files. Carefully review your migration and seeder files to confirm that the relationships and the order of operations are correct. Foreign key constraints in migrations. Define your foreign key constraints in your migrations appropriately. Troubleshooting steps. Check logs. Review your database logs to get more details about the foreign key constraint error. PHP artisan commands. Use artisan commands to debug. PHP artisan migrate fresh seed. Review data integrity. Manually verify the existing data to ensure all foreign key references are valid. By following these guidelines and understanding how foreign key constraints work, you can effectively troubleshoot and resolve seeding errors in your Laravel applications.